of our camper cooking week, and we're at Lagavulin Distillery today. And I'm really happy to be here because in November I'm going to be doing a big project with Lagavulin, so this is a good place for us to start today. So the reason that Islay has got 9 of the most famous malt whiskies in the world is because of the island itself. The peat that's in the island is such a smoky flavour that makes this whisky so distinctive. So we're going to use some of this fantastic Lagavulin, which is a medium-bodied whisky, in the recipe today. So the reason we're here today is because of the Wee Camper Company, who have very kindly given us one of these fantastic campers for the week. So we're going to be showing you what you can cook in a camper. Basically, I've got a 2-ring burner and I am using ingredients that are available to me on this island. So there are 2 branded shops in Islay that are not supermarkets. So I'm going to try and use those shops and the amazing local produce in all the recipes. Today's recipe is going to be some 28-day aged ribeye, Islay beef ribeye, and I'm going to serve that with a whisky vinaigrette that's going to be hot and a lovely salad. I've got some shallots in a quick pickle that I made yesterday, and we're also going to make some croutons out of normal white bread. Right, let's get in the van.
First of all, cut the crust off your slice of bread. Cut it into long strips and then into little squares. Heat your pan on the hob and add some olive oil to the pan. Once the oil's hot, add the cubes of bread, stirring them round to make sure they're all coated in the olive oil. Once they're slightly golden, season them with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Once crispy and golden, set them aside to cool down. At this stage, put some olive oil on your steak and season with black pepper. Now it's time to add the steak to the hot pan. After about 2 minutes, flip the steak and it should be a lovely golden colour. Cook it for a further 2 minutes. Set the steak aside to rest. For the hot whisky vinaigrette, add 1 tablespoon of whisky, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Remember to season your dressing with salt and pepper. Whisk everything together until all those ingredients are combined. Now add it to the steak pan. Add the vinaigrette ingredients to the hot pan and immediately remove from the heat. Add your lettuce leaves in, coat them with the vinaigrette and immediately remove them from the pan. Slice your rested steak into thin strips. To plate up, put some lettuce leaves on a plate. Put your lovely ribeye steak dotted around the salad leaves. Add some rings of the sweetly pickled shallots. For the quick pickled shallots, add equal parts of red wine vinegar and water and a teaspoon of sugar. Bring it to a simmer and then set aside to cool before adding the shallot rings. This quick pickle can be used for any vegetables. Lastly, sprinkle over as many as you like of the crispy, salty croutons.
So there we have it, the first camper cooking session, ribeye with a salad and a hot whiskey vinaigrette. Thanks Lagavulin.